Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful, beautiful fifth wheel. This is a 2026 Keystone Avalanche. Well, it's an Alpine Avalanche edition. Yes. Goodness gracious. Model number 366 LS. So let's get started. The length on this Alpine is 40 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 14,027 pounds. The hitch weight is 2,365 with a GVWR of 16,200.
Guys, this is another one. Get you a snack. You may want a really substantial snack on this one. This one is just, I don't know. You're just going to have to see it. This paint scheme on this one is called Black Steel. It does look a little reminiscent of another brand. We won't bring that into discussion, but this one is just, it is pretty. You can see from out here that it's going to have 3 AC units on it. It does have solar already in place. There is just a whole lot to like about this one, so let's get started on it. Right off, you are going to have rack and pinion slides, except up here you do have a cable driven slide on a bedroom. This is going to have a road armor pin box. You are going to be able to add a generator if you would like. This is going to, I believe it's going to be 6-point, let me look down the side real quick. Yes, 6-point hydraulic leveling. So there's all of your hydraulics right in there. Now this one is it's just pretty. It's pretty. If you like that black white with a little bit of graphite gray in it, this is one to come look at. Your propane tanks are going to be right there on the side. This is going to be part of your basement storage. There is a bigger opening on the other side. We'll show you when we go around. Then all your docking is going to be here. You got your slides right there. Your tank pools are inside. Yes. So that's going to be the slides for this side. Should be slide 1, 2, and 3 because you've got 3 slides on this side.
Tankless water heater.
Yes, that blends in with your paint scheme. You are going to have a sewer caddy right down there. You do have a dump area over there. It is going to be under a slide, so you might just want to keep that in mind. Coming on down, you do see that you are going to have the road armor suspension on this. Super nice. Let me back up and show you this side because it is just so pretty. You're going to have another dump area right back here. A little
Spares
easier to
there.
get to. Oh, yes it is. Spare right back there.
Gosh.
On the back, this is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You do have a ladder to access your roof. And you are going to have a towing package. Should be up to 3,000 pounds. Guys, this one's 40 feet long. Just be careful if you want to tow. Again, rack and pinion slides on this side. So you've got 2 over here. So if you're keeping up, that's 5 slides. So yeah, you got a lot of real estate in this one. Coming over here.
Awnings, and here's your other slabs.
Yes, so you can control those from the outside. I love that, so you can actually see what you're doing. Guys, look how nice and clean that this basement storage is. So well finished out. Very nice. And then, yeah, light switch up there. You got some LED lights. Here's that other side of that sewer caddy. You do have a quick connect under there, and of course then your batteries are going to go here in this compartment.
We have awnings, but Keystone...
We have awnings. Keystone does not give us the length on these. I'm going to say this one's going to be close to 20 feet. Somewhere between 18 and 20 on this one, and
yeah,
at least 10 on this other one. So you're going to have really good coverage on your on your awnings.
Wow, this thing is beautiful.
All right, let's go in and take a look. And there's the screen.
After you.
Okay, right off you can probably tell that this one's a little bit different. It is a rear kitchen model. And I just feel like I could just walk for days in here. This is so much room. We're just kind of overwhelmed on this one. We did point out that there is 3 AC units on this one. Wow, Keystone has just, I don't know. They have been hitting it with this one.
That is something I was going to say. The Alpine had kind of been kind of so-so.
Yeah.
But now, since they've combined everything.
Yeah, because they used to have a separate Alpine and a separate Avalanche.
It's kind of impressive right now.
It is. I love the slight fixture up here. These cabinets just look amazing. And since you've got everything open, we'll start over here.
I'm going to go ahead and start.
Of course, you've got the big microwave with the storage all the way around it. The only thing I do wish they had put the bigger oven in it. But
I think that's going to be an actual Alpine thing.
Yeah, because this is the Avalanche. Since this is supposed to be almost at the top of this, but
yeah.
Holy moly, I can't imagine what else they could possibly do to it. It's just, y'all, this one is nice. You're going to have solid surface countertops all the way around. They give you a plug-in back there in that corner. Now, back here at the very back where your sink is, you have got some great cabinetry up above. You've got some amazing light fixtures. You've got this 60/40 sink with solid surface inserts. Storage underneath.
Let me put this back.
More
We do not work for a dealership.
We do not work for the dealership. Pull out drawers, trash cans. Again, more plug-ins. I love that they give you another little pull-out drawer down there just to access stuff.
Oh my God.
Hang on, we're not finished in this kitchen yet. Let me get over here so you can see this pantry. So yeah, you got great storage. And I mean, it's gonna go ceiling all the way down to the floor. And they give you pull-out drawers down here at the bottom of it. Well done. And I love the contrast. You get the light cabinets on the top. You have the darker cabinets on the bottom. It is just really, really pretty. I also love this island is strictly going to be prep, so they didn't cut any holes in it. There's no sink, no stove. This is just a great prep area. That's got storage over here. Huge drawer, guys. I mean, I could almost crawl over in that drawer.
Well, we may have to try to do that on a video.
No, let's not. Anyway, drawer full of goodies right here. Then you've got some more drawers on that side. Whew, yeah. Okay. What do people put up above their refrigerator? Do you store your bread up there?
Nutty bars.
I don't know. We don't have storage above our refrigerator, so I don't know. But this is going to give you a French door fridge with the big freezer at the bottom.
Man.
Now Keystone is going to have your heating in the floor. But let's finish out this kitchen with your dining area. So you're going to have a table with 4 chairs. And then this table here has got some extra storage. So you've got like a pull-out cutlery drawer, and then this leaf will extend. So if you need a little extra room there or game night. And I love how tall that slide is, because now Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Yeah. You know, you got lots of this. What is that? 7-foot slide at least?
Well, let's just find out.
So you got lots of space in there.
There's 7 foot.
Yeah, nice big windows. They're going to open if you have one of these nice cool fall days. You can have your windows open, blackout shades. I mean, okay, The kitchen's amazing. I mean, it just really is. I love the light fixture.
That is cool.
It is.
And
Yeah.
3
ACs.
3 AC.
Okay, now let's back up.
Oh, wait a minute.
And then, well, yeah, then you get a window. So,
Oh,
yeah.
I love this.
Guys, I cannot get over how much space there is. Of course, you've got a slide over here. There is a slide over there, but look at this floor space. This is just absolutely astounding. Your front slide here is going to have 2 great big windows, and of course, and then you've got 2 on each end. Again, these are going to open if you need them to. You've got this big L-shaped sofa here. Excuse me. These 2 sides should recline.
Yes.
I think this is going to. Yes, yes, does make a sleeping area. So if you have guests over, I mean, they are not gonna be crowded in here. That is for sure. But I mean, we're not even finished with the seating area. You actually have another sofa right over here. You have all this storage. I think, yeah, that makes
into a bed too.
Makes into another bed. Wow. Yeah, and then for those who work on the road or have kids that need to do homework, you have a desk. I mean, come on. How cool is that? There is a plug-in there, so you can charge your laptop, phone, whatever you need. Again, windows all the way around. We've got the shades today to kind of keep some of the glare down, but wow. Okay, now I'm gonna have a seat here on the end of this L-shaped sofa, and that's gonna put me right in front of this ginormous 65-inch TV. Oh, guys, 65-inch TV. There's gonna be your second AC. You are gonna have a ceiling fan in here. Obviously, you can tell this is a full profile 5th wheel. It is tall. It is just gorgeous. You're gonna have a JBL sound system in here. We have somebody taking off down the street out there. You've got storage underneath, and then you've got this nice big fireplace. Again, your vent is in the floor. However, you've got your vent there, and then the other one is back closer to the kitchen. So if you want to put a large rug down, you can do that. Okay, we're only about halfway done. Let's head up the stairs. Your controls are going to be up here behind this little door. Now, coming in here. Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There is a skylight. This is a 1-piece encore shower.
Yep. 30 by 48.
30 by 48.
That's about right.
Yeah. And there is going to be a little seat right there in the corner, so if you need to prop your foot up or rest.
40.
30 by 40.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Still. Good
It's
size.
nice.
Very good size shower. Now this is where the Alpine Edition, Avalanche Edition is going to come in, because this is going to have not solid surface in here, but you have an amazing vanity area in here. Got a mirror right there. Right next to it is going to be your medicine cabinet. Drawers down here. Storage underneath.
Hey.
Yeah, place for a waste paper basket. Really neat toilet tissue setup.
Well, look there.
And you get a linen closet. So yes, this one hits all of the points. So it's going to get the plunger, including your foot flush toilet down there.
Really nice bathroom.
Really nice bathroom. Okay, now let's move into the main bedroom. And the lights in here are on a dimmer.
They're all, you can dim them.
Yeah, but you've got reading lights up above. This is going to have a king-size bed. I actually like that they did not put a window at the head of the bed. Instead, you've got the 2 sides.
Exact slide.
Yes. This is the exact slide. We showed you the cable slides from the outside, so if you're concerned, this is the exact slide. It's all good in the hood. So,
Okay.
Anyway, it's going to give you some little stands on both sides. This is going to have your third AC unit. You do have
Yes.
storage underneath the bed. And again, you've got actually pretty good floor space in here at the foot of the bed. You've got 6 drawers in your dresser.
Booyah.
Right up there is where your extra TV is going to go if you want to add that.
Nice window.
Yes, that is your emergency exit.
I'd hate to go out of it.
That's a long way down. Okay, now let's turn around. All right.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. So this is going to give you some hanging, also give you some shelves. You can take the shelf out for longer hanging, or you can put in a stackable washer dryer in
Yes.
here. It is prepped. Almost done. I think I hear a chicken strip calling my name.
Chicken. Hey.
All right. Now this is a really super nice closet system because you've got drawers and you've got some open space right next to it, and this does something. Yes.
Look at there.
So yeah, you got a little extra storage. Actually, the laptop would fit down in there if you need to kind of stash that out of sight. There is a plug-in.
And it is
Got a mirror on both
mirrored
sides.
on both of them.
But then you've got, here, I'll hand this to you.
Well, let me get this on.
Yeah, the other light. So yeah, you've got a shelf and hanging on that side. It's a very nice closet system.
Yeah.
And again, we're in the South. That third AC up there is very important. Okay, we love your guys' opinions on this. What do you think about all of this room in here? And would you invite your friends over, or would you just enjoy it by yourself?
And also a big thanks to Great American. This one was shut up.
Yes.
All the slides were pulled in. I went and asked the general manager, shout out to Brad for coming out, and they opened this up so we can record it.
And it's amazing.
It is an amazing unit. All right, folks, if you like this Alpine Avalanche edition, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.